See that smoking? Oh my. Power is gone out and we can't get the generator to run either. What is that smell?
You okay in there, hon?
Oh gosh, I'm dying.
Go up the hatch.
Oh. Woo. This is where the dogs will be learning to use the bathroom while we're underway and they can't go on shore. They're like, what is this?
Go into the putting green, that's what.
Get busy. Just right. Oh yes, sit on the grass pad. That's good girl. Good boys. Okay. Okay, so these came out of the freezers. And now we got a new thermostat in both of our freezers. It's a wonder they didn't work when we bought this boat. We've been splashed for about 4 days now, and we are currently having toilets looked at. The refrigerator guys were here like half the day yesterday. I think they're almost working, we're not really sure. One of the freezers still doesn't work. The other freezer is working good, so that's helpful. Victor, the electrician, was here until 7:30 last night. Still not completely fixed, but we're getting there. My parents are coming today to visit. I'm so excited.
We had the rigger take this wind sensor down off the top of our main mast because there was a discrepancy in the wind speed. It kind of sometimes it's like it got a little
Right there.
got a little spot. This is a B&G a 508 wind sensor. We ordered a new bearing kit. Finally it came in. He said 7 to 10 days. It was at least 5 weeks till it finally came in. So here it is. And this is how it was packaged. A box with just a part. No packing or anything. There's my $190 part right there. Hopefully it still works. I looked at a YouTube video on how to replace this, and by some miracle I had a 1.5 millimeter Allen wrench, which is the only tool required. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and replace this part, and then the riggers are gonna come today at 10 o'clock and go high and put it back on there. So here we go. Hopefully I did good, but it seems to be spinning very nicely. Way better than the last one did.
We're on our way to go pick up my family from the airport. Next up, Party Central.
No, we got 3 subcontractors working today.
Well, okay, I can party.
So we've been in the water now for 4 nights. We got so many things wrong with the boat. We've had 1 or 2 contractors come every single day we've been in the water. Right now our electrician has our alternator for the engine at his shop. He's rebuilding. The plumber came today, tore apart some valves, and he went to the store to go buy some new gear. And the refrigeration guy came today and yesterday. He left to go get some soldering tools because he found a leak. So it's just been super busy, and we've been cleaning up and trying to organize.
Some stuff we've been putting away nicely. Other things I've been kind of stashing just so we have a place to sit down, because the boat is just packed with stuff.
Yeah.
How all of this stuff fit in our RV and our truck, I have no idea.
We were overloaded in the RV, no doubt about it.
Well, admittedly though, we took this RV into Mexico overloaded, knowing that we were trying to find a boat. So we had all of our boat stuff, sailing gear, diving gear, we had all of that with us. I'm sure we'll eventually find a home for it, but right now it's pretty much taking up all of the extra 3 berths.
Yeah. The only thing we've had that's been fun is going for a dinghy ride every couple of nights. Man, it's been really fun having that dinghy piece of gear.
Now I'm learning how to drive it.
Oh yeah, you should see her. That was cops, and we just ran a red light. They didn't care. The guy that we bought it from walked away from the entire sailing idea, so he left behind, I don't know, 12 life jackets, scuba gear for 3, snorkeling for 8.
I just got a text from Dad that they've touched down quite a bit early.
Yikes.
Yeah, so.
15 minutes away from the airport. So.
Okay, I'll text him.
Captain Chris. Hey. How you doing, man? Good. Good. How are you? I'm good. Hey, Ma. Hello. Good seeing you. It's been forever.
changing the location of our raft, along with the help of my father. Just been sitting up the highest part of the boat, and we've got riggers back. Yay! I think this is amazing. I wish I could do this. I wish I had the guts. I don't think I do. We'll see though. Take me out sailing a couple of times, I might just feel like, I don't know, somebody really cool. So the boat came with pretty ugly power cord, but we don't remember seeing that burn mark until this morning. The dock we are currently on has been working on power. We're not sure if they're doing something with the power or... Power is gone out, and now we're trying to make the generator run so that all of the food in my refrigerator will stay cold, and we can't get the generator to run either. And you just kind of want to cry and give it all up. Now we're gonna make a phone call, I guess, to our electrician, Victor.
Ayuda a organizar todo eso, para una pinche y la lanza, este es un dente y la soldadura.
Babe,
Appears to be. What?
what are you doing? Read the directions.
Yeah, we better.
Thank you.
Directions. Print's way too small. Screw it.
We'll just wing it.
Wait, there's pictures.
Oh, good, pictures.
Pictures work. Yeah, that goes up, that goes in, boom.
Done. Okay, plug it in. Drum roll, please.
Plugging in the internet, drum roll. Do you have a light?
We have light. Woo! We have internet.
Yay!
Woo!
It works.
YouTube channel works.
That's what matters.
All right, you guys, welcome to paradise. This one's always swimming. Are you a surfing boy?
Oh, yay, we are having so much fun.
Thank you.
Thanks, bartender.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ching ching.
Put it up.
See that smoking? Oh my, look. My gosh. Holy cow. That's scary.
For love, how many hours are working?
Only two. Two refrigerator and two air conditioning units. That's it. Just replace the plug or the whole cord. Is this okay?
Oh, the car is okay.
All right.
Currently had 3 contractors, electricians, plumbers, and cleaners. It's a good thing we have a big boat.
Shore power cord melted because we had it overloaded apparently. So we're out of commission shore power wise. We can't start the generator because the generator battery is dead. And we had it on the charger, but now we can't even charge the generator battery because we had to unhook shore power. And so We'll have to invert, I guess, and hope that the cleaning people can run the vacuum cleaner. And I'll find my jumper cables and jump the generator battery from the house battery set.
Y ya está, qué bonito terminar aquí.
No hay problema, ya desconecté la bomba.
Not all.
Alright, I get low.
No, levanta, ¿no?
Nice man.
Oh yeah, nice. No dielectric grease. We did not overload this connection.
I heard you bought the part for us. Thanks, Dad.
Oh, you're welcome.
That's very nice.
We wanted to give you something for a boat warming gift.
And you bought us power. Mom, look up.
It's a good battery, so we got another issue.
Oh, are you kidding?
That one's already done.
Laundry repair isn't working. Error code gives us no water. You ready to go? Okay, jump on in. Well, we tried to go do some snorkeling for the first time. First time we've been in Mexico, and my mother's first time ever. And the current is so strong for the first time. We swum out here many times and haven't had this kind of a current. Not very fun. The clarity is terrible. I think it's less than 5 feet, and usually it's just fabulous. Oh well, we tried. Let's see, what'd you do here?
Just gouged myself up.
Oh my gosh, honey.
Both barnacles.
So this is part of the life that you were dreaming about.
Run a lot.
Is it still?
It looks better on the brochure. That's for sure.
This little guy's dead, but I have always wanted to see a seahorse. It's the first seahorse I've ever gotten to see. Oh.
And it's so clear to what he is. I love you.
I love you.
Bye.
Bye, Father.
I love you.
I love you.
Love you.
I love you. You're staying.
Sorry, babe, you're staying.
What you doing, girl?
I'm not sure. Whatever my husband tells me to do.
Oh, that'll be the day. What you got going?
Whipping. So that it doesn't fray any more than it's already fraying. Anyway, look, I'm almost all done with all of them.
Nice. Wow, cool.
This one was my husband's right here.
Yeah, that's the ugly
The
one.
rest of them are mine.
Those are way better than what I did.
Mm.
Nice job.
Thank you.
She's cute and useful.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I think that's about good. It's pretty cool. I learned something new. It's neat to watch this thing seal up, and that looks really good. Alright. Make sure it's good and tight. Looks good. Trim the lines. Like a master.
Super cool.
What are the wood? Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh my word, this is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
I've never seen a worse core than that. If the fins aren't flat, it's covered with dog hair. No air can possibly go through that.
Hopefully we can get this generator fired up today.
Okay. Yeah, good.
Nice. It's a nice stud right there. My Hercules.
Irwin Del Palma. This is Blue Pearl. Blue Pearl requesting assistance for departure.
Alright, sayonara to a dock. We're heading out to go anchoring. Maiden voyage.